I'm packing all my bits, ready to go out. 3-inch drain. Well, it's more like a 3.5-inch drain. Got our packs, got our pocket radio, fat sharks, some aerials. Don't actually normally take a lot, but yeah, it's nice weather outside. So I want to go for a fly. And it's summer holidays, means there's less people about. Down at the river, gonna do a quick fly. It's an old canal lock. I'm gonna fly around that willow tree. Nice day. There's a golf course over there. So just finished my little flight. That wasn't too bad. 9 minutes. I've just done 30 hours. 30 hours in the Speedy Beast stack. There's some golfers over there, but I wasn't flying over their heads. To begin with, there was no golfers, so I could go around the flag, and then yeah, I thought I'll just whiz round down by the river. Next location, quite nice bench here. Village sign. There you go, here's the village hall. Down there is the church around the corner. It's a bit quieter now. I managed to clip one of the power cables. There it is, there. I don't know what happened, I didn't see it. My PID tuning was good though, it recovered. It caught me by surprise, I didn't know what was going on. It's quite a nice place to live around here. Next location, the abandoned road. Got me fizzy drink. I know what I always forget to do is check my gimbals before I take off. I always manage to get grit in my gimbals. And then I take off and I'm like, I have to push through it. So, gimbal check. Me and my mate were looking for some tracks in the field we could race down. Look at them, perfect. So I got some good shots hopefully. We'll have to wait until we get back. That's quite a ride home. It's lovely out here though.